What if I told you there was once a place in India that went from rebellion and airstrikes to becoming one of the most peaceful states in the country? Welcome to Mizoram, a land of misty hills, dense bamboo forests, and a people known for their resilience. But in the late 1950s, disaster struck. A strange natural phenomenon began, called the Mautam famine. Every 48 to 50 years, bamboo forests across the hills flower together. And when bamboo flowers bloom, rats multiply in massive numbers, millions of them. Soon, they flooded villages, destroyed rice fields, ate stored grain, and left entire communities starving. People cried for help. But many believed the response from the government came too slowly. Frustration turned into anger, and anger turned into resistance. A relief organization formed during the famine slowly transformed into something much bigger, the Mizo National Front, or the MNF. Led by Lal Denga, the movement demanded independence for Mizoram. Then came 1966. The MNF launched an armed uprising, attacking government offices, capturing towns, and declaring independence. The conflict shocked the nation, and then history was made. For the first and only known time in independent India's history, the Indian Air Force carried out airstrikes on its own territory. Fighter jets flew over Aizawl. Bombs and machine gun fire struck parts of the city. Families fled into the forests. Homes burned. Fear spread across the hills. What followed were 2 decades of conflict. Villages were regrouped. Thousands suffered. An entire generation grew up surrounded by uncertainty and war. But even after years of violence, both sides slowly realized peace was the only path forward. And finally, in 1986, something remarkable happened. The government of India and the Mizo National Front signed the historic Mizoram Peace Accord. The guns fell silent. Former rebels laid down arms, and Mizoram began to rebuild. Roads were constructed, schools reopened, communities healed, and over time, Mizoram transformed itself into one of the safest, most literate, and most peaceful states in India. A story not just of conflict, but of reconciliation, not just of rebellion, but of forgiveness and rising again.